Hello to
Hello
our
po.
Mr. and Miss Teen World Philippines winners for 2026. Pwede niyo magpakilala ulit mga sarili niyo sa ating viewers?
Hello and mabuhay. I'm Alison Ingasca, your Miss Teen World Philippines 2026.
Hello everyone. I am Ferry Carvasio, your Mr. Teen World Philippines Earth 2026.
Alright, well, before anything else, after a few months, congratulations kasi you are our 2026 Mr. and Miss Teen World winners. Anong nararamdaman niyo right after na ma-announce kayo or well, up until now na kayo ay mga winners?
Up until now, I would say it feels surreal. Like parang may moments po na feel namin it's not real pa din up until now na hindi pa na winners na pala kami because way back I'm just having this interview at the same time with you po and I'm just Miss Cebu that time and right now I am Miss Teen World Philippines at the same time I am Model Search International 2027.
Well, di pa rin po ako nakakapaniwala kasi nung time po na in-interview mo po ako, nagkakabahan po ako and di po ko sure kung tama po yung landas ko. But then, Kuya Gerald calls my name, then I was very happy, then nervous at the same time because I know that wearing a crown is not just wearing it, but wearing it with responsibilities.
And I heard nga na both of you will represent the Philippines at I Am Model Search in Indonesia,
Jakarta.
no? Bali, Indonesia. But next year pa
Yes.
ito.
Yes.
Pero anong nararamdaman niyo na, yun nga, na in-announce niyo sa inyo yun, na kayo maging representatives?
Of course, we are very grateful for it because we're not just carrying our name and our city this time, but also the whole country na. We're carrying the 117 million Filipinos. So it is a very grateful moment for the both of us. And at the same time, we're looking forward into it. Lalo na sa preparations, upcoming shoots with Direct, of course. And yeah, we're very excited as well with it po.
What about you? Nung na-announce kayong I Am Model Search Philippines?
Of course, ever since I was a kid, I dreamed of representing the Philippines. But then, I never knew that this time would come. Then, I know that representing the Philippines is not that easy. It feels so heavy, but I would like to do my best and show to the Philippines who I am.
Ayan. So you are from the Queen City of the South.
Yes po.
And I know na grabe kayo doon sa Cebu.
Yes po.
Grabe competitive talaga kayo doon. Ano ka na ba? Participal or parade?
I actually had my homecoming na po sa Cebu last month po.
Anong reaction ng mga taga ron sa inyo nung malaman nilang ikaw yung nanalo?
They were really happy and at the same time they're looking forward for the international pageant at the same time. I went to the government of Cebu and Cebu City and Cebu Province since I was carrying the both of it nung Miss Teen World. And when I came there for the courtesy call, they're really proud as a Cebuana. And then I also had a homecoming. I felt the support from the Cebuanos right there because everything is organized, really, really smooth. The only thing that I did is just arrive in Cebu. And that's it. Naramdaman ko po talaga na tanggap ko yung suporta ng Cebuanos and Cebuanas po natin.
What about you? Yung hometown? Saan ulit yung hometown?
Bacoor po.
Sa Bacoor, sa Cavite. Did you have any celebration there?
Ah, ayos po. Nakipag-courtesy call na po ako dun sa mayor namin but hindi po siya planado because my grandparents is working in city halls as captains. Then one time bigla na lang po silang tumawag. Pinag-ayos po ako ng 10 minutes. Pumunta daw po ako ng munisipyo kasi po makipag-meet daw po kay mayor. Then yun po, hindi po planado but then very happy po.
Tingin nyo, kasi Cebu and Bacoor, Cebu marami talaga, guwapa kaayos. Sa Bacoor, ang daming guwapo talaga siya. Ano tingin nyo, anong sikreto kung bakit kayo yung isa sa mga nanalo? Siguro yun, sa tingin mong quality mo na
being crowned, there's no secret really onto it. You really just have to be dedicated on what you're doing. You just have to focus on your goal from the very start. You have to know what are you really aiming for, because if that's the famous saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So you really have to know what you are aiming first at the very moment that you enter the pageant. When I joined the Miss Teen World, I told myself I want to win the crown. Parang ganun po.
What about you? Ano kayang quality mo, one quality mo na sa tingin mo nagpapanalo sa'yo as Mr.
For me, I think that ang nagpanalo po kasi sa akin is that I took opportunities and I don't want to waste opportunities po, and yun po yung feel ko na quality na nagpanalo po sa akin.
Ayan. So ngayon, dahil, ayun, hindi niyo pa send off ngayon kasi January
Yes.
Opo.
So, ngayon kasi was our Miss and Miss Teen Tourism. Do you have any message to Kathleen and also Alexandra now that they are representing our country here now?
Of course, what I really want to say to them, and I always told Ate Kathleen nung sashing din po namin, that good luck and always walk with pride. Not just alone, but carrying the Filipino pride, the Philippines with their heart, and to always know their purpose, to not settle on the ordinary, but to always be more than who they are. And I hope that they could bring home the very first crown for the Miss Tourism.
Ano message mo kala Alex na kay Captain?
I just want to say na good luck to both of you. I wish you all the best in your journey in the international stage. I wish you safe flight, do your best, and bring home the crown. Good luck po.
Tapos message nyo na rin sa mga supporters nyo. Ikaw, I guess I want to hear you to meet them in Bisaya.
Sige po, sige po. I'll try po. Yeah. Maayong adlaw, ako po si Alison Arnada Ningasca, ang nagarepresenta sa Cebu City katong sa unang Miss Teen World Philippines, and now carrying the Philippine flag into the international stage. I wish you would be with us in this beautiful journey of us.
Thank you for supporting me along the way, and I will do my best so that your support will not turn into disappointment. Thank you.
Ano nga, isang maiksing intro lang. Pare, I am model search din. 2020.
Mabuhay! I'm Lawrence Allison Ningasca, your Miss I Am Model Search Philippines 2027.
Hello everyone, I am Mark Cristoferi Caravaggio, your Mr. I Am Model Search Philippines 2026.
Thank you so much. And good luck next year sa journey and syempre sa preparations nyo this year for next year's I Am Model Search in Bali, Indonesia.
Thank you
Thank you
po.
po.
Thank you.